Alright, not gonna lie, didn't completely really finish this hike. What has ended up happening is I came in the entrance and I decided to go counterclockwise. Cut across from one trail over to another trail. I ended up walking a huge loop, ended up back in my very first rest spot where I, sat on the log. I came back to that same log and I was like, cutting across one more time. Ended up throwing me back on this other trail, which brings you back in the way that you would have come into this place had you had gone clockwise. Ended up coming to this bridge here behind me. Took a short little break. I had some of my lembas bread that I made. First time making that. First time cooking ever. It was alright. It's a little crumbly. It's kind of like a cinnamon bread for the most part. Definitely needed some water afterwards. But I've had fun out here. I've gotten to record some video, gotten a chance to take some pictures, and I'm probably going to take some more nature close-up shots on the way back. So I guess it's time for me to turn around and backtrack again, back across this little bridge, and I'll try and get the stuff uploaded soon. Alright, I'll talk to you guys later.